Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney-Ann and I conduct real estate property tours. Check out this one bedroom apartment with me and here are the specs for the property. Let's get into the video. So we're going to start out by entering the living room slash dining room space. This is a very open concept property. As you can see, there's still a lot of unused space despite having a dining table set, which I really think is very cute and it fits the space perfectly. By the way, guys, this unit is fully furnished, so all the accent pieces, all the furniture you're seeing comes with your rental. Notably, each windows have blinds instead of curtains, so if you're a blinds type of person, this will work well for you. If not, maybe you can arrange with the landlord to maybe set up your own curtains with temporary curtain rods. Let's take a look at the kitchen space. Now they have a electric stove here and it fits neatly into the counter space, lots of counter space, as well as a double sink. Earlier you saw me pointing to an unused space beside this counter, so I don't know, maybe if you have additional furniture you can put it there. Now let's take a look at some of the cabinet space as well. We have two sets of overhead cabinet storage and also there is a double refrigerator, so to speak. It's very huge, and there's also a deep freezer at the bottom, which I'll be showing you guys shortly. You guys know I like to get in there and open things for myself just to see the accessibility of it all, the convenience of it all, and if it flows in the space. And I think this refrigerator does the job perfectly. As you can see, there are a lot of subsections and you can fit all manner of things in here, your meats, your vegetables, etc. Let's take one last glance at the kitchen area and then let's turn our heads to the ceiling area with this unique structure and accent lighting. If you know the name of that style, comment below and I will see if you guys can get a small prize. Okay, now let's take a look at the living room section. As you realize, this is closed off from the rest of the space. They've made sure to angle the couches so that you are aware where is for entertainment and where is for dining. And may I remind you guys that again, this unit is fully furnished, so go ahead and contact Miss Neil if you're interested in renting this space. It's going for, at the time of this video, 125,000 Jamaican dollars per month. So all of that extra space, I'm guessing if you have more furniture, maybe a desk and so, it will fit perfectly in the areas that I was pointing. Now let's head into the bathroom. Now the bathroom is uniquely designed with tiles. I believe these are accent tiles, as well as rough tiling on the bottom to prevent slippage, and stainless steel fixtures. There's also 3 caddies on the wall for you to store your toiletries, your soaps, etc. Now this bathroom has 2 entrances, that one on the right and then the next door on the left, which is a direct access door from the master bedroom. So you can either enter from the living room or you can enter from here, the master bedroom. Now looking at the master bedroom, as you can see, it's still very spacious. There's still a lot of untouched space. So even if you do have furniture moving into this unit, you still have space to put your furniture and maybe to switch it up a little bit. And if you don't have any furniture, that is fine. Just bring your clothes. This is a smart home equipped with Alexa, equipped with AC units in both the bedroom and the living room area, and 12-hour security. So there are a lot of amenities with this property. Now from the living room entrance to the bedroom, we have the closet space here, and then there's a back door here which we will view shortly. Let's take a look at some of the furniture. This dresser has a lot of deep drawers, so you know that you have plenty of storage for your clothes and your comforters. And then in addition to the dresser, there is also a closet space with overhead storage. So there's lots of storage space for this unit. Maybe you can stack your suitcases above in case you're a traveler like myself, and maybe you can hang your shoes and your coats below. Right now they have towels up there. I'm sure you can be more flexible with your space, or if you want to keep it that way, that's totally fine as well. Now let's take a look at this little balcony area. This is connected to the master bedroom, but as you can see, there is a enclosed room right out on the balcony with your washer and dryer. Yes, a washer and dryer, which is not very common in a lot of Jamaican apartments. There's also a beautiful view, and if you're anything like me, you're going to friend up the neighbor when it's mango season, and you're going to get all of those mangoes that you see on the mango tree Yeah, that is what I would do. So this is the parking space below. There's additional parking apart from the ones at the front. But that basically brings us to the end of our tour, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell me your favorite part of the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.